Hello everyone. A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you? All are fine? Okay. So, now which period is going on? Tell me. Look at the board and tell me which period is going on. Tell me fast. Which period? Maths period. Very good. Which period? Subject math. Okay. You read the spelling of math? Good. So, which period is going on? Math period is going on. And which class do you study? Tell me, which class do you study? Yes? Yes. I am studying in LKG class. I am studying in LKG. Good. And one question more now. What? Which school do you study? Yes. Gokul Das Public School, Khargone. Which school? Gokul Das Public School, Khargone. And what is the address of your school? Address? You know? Yes. Bistan Road, Khargone. So, tell me the full name of your school. Gokul Das Public School, Bistan Road, Khargone. Very good. And which class? LKG class. You study in LKG. And which period is going on? Math period is going on. Now, today I am teach you concepts. Okay. In your previous session, you learned so many concepts. Yes? Now, last, the concept of more and less. Okay? More and less. Okay? So, now I am going to teach you concept of more and less. Okay? First, what is this? This is a plate. Okay? In this plate, chocolates are there. Okay? In this plate, chocolates are there. And these plates also have chocolates. Yes. And this plate also have chocolates. Okay, in this plate also have chocolates. Okay. Now, sit. This is plate. This is also plate. These are chocolates. Also chocolates. But what is the difference between both the image? What is the difference between this plate and this plate? You see the difference between this plate and this plate? आपको कुछ difference दिख रहा है दोनों में? ये plate number 1 है, ये plate number 2 है. अब मुझे बताओ कि क्या difference है दोनों में? क्या difference है? ये plate में और ये plate में क्या difference है? Yes? यहाँ पे कम chocolates है और यहाँ पे ज्यादा chocolates है. You count it? Yes? 1, 2, 3 only. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. And here only 3. So the difference between two plates is here less chocolate. Yes. And here more chocolate. So the concept of more and less is in this plate more chocolates than this plate, and in this plate less chocolate compared to this plate. So you find the difference between two plates. Here less, here more chocolates. Here less chocolates, here more chocolates. Okay. So the difference between two plates is here less and here more chocolates, means बहुत सारी. Okay, and here less chocolate means of more and less is here less chocolates compared to this plate, and here more chocolates compared to this plate. So this is the concept of more and less. Understand? Okay, now next plate. Here cookies. You eat? You like cookies? Biscuits? Yes? Very good. So you eat cookies and chocolates? Very good. So here cookies and here also cookies. In this plate also have cookies. But now tell me difference between two plates. What is the difference between two plates? Tell me. Look over here. This is the plate. This is also plate. These are cookies. Here also cookies. But what is the difference between two plates? Tell me. Look over here and tell me what is the difference between two plates. Two plates. बताओ मुझे इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में? Yes. Here more cookies. So here we write more. Here less cookies. So here we write less. Yes. Here more cookies. Yes. In this plate more cookies compared to this plate, and in this plate less cookies compared to this plate. So more, less, here less, more. So this is the concept of more and less, means कम ज़्यादा. Okay. Now take out your book. Grow with numbers. Take out your book and open page number 1919. Page number 1919. Open your page 1919 and look over here. Okay. So this is your book. First, observe the pictures and learn more and less. You understand more and less, concept of more and less? You understand? Okay, now your test. Okay, I am telling you some questions and you tell me the answer. Okay, so here two ice creams. Okay, two ice creams, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ice creams. So which one is more and which one is less? Tell me. First, less ice creams, and here more ice cream. So less, more. Okay. Next image. Here some fishes are there. Here also some fish. But where is more and where is less? Here more fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. So here more and here only 3. So here less, more, less, more, less. Okay. Now next, two plates are there, mangoes are there, but you find which one is more and which one is less. So here more mangoes are there. So this image, here more mangoes in this plate and here less. Okay. Next, vase over here, flower pot. In this flower pot, how many flowers are there? And in this flower pot, how many flowers are there? Here only 3 and here so many. So here more flower and here less. More, less. More, less. Okay, now next. Here footwears. Here more footwears and here less. Come. Zyada, come. More, less. Okay. Now next, t-shirts are there. Here more t-shirts and here less t-shirts. Okay. More, less. More, 20. Turn the page. 2020. Okay. Page number 2020. In this page, now take out your pencil, crayons. Okay, take out and apply in this page. The question is, count the object in each collection and write the number in the box. Color the set which has more number of objects. First, you count the object, then write down the number and check which one is more and which one is less. Then you color more images. Means okay, you understand these images? Chocolates and cookies. Okay. Now we will do activity of page number 2020. Okay. So those have book, take out your book. Those have no, you take out your notebook, math notebook, and write down the heading concept of more and less. Okay. Concept of more and less. Write number 1. Your books. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And in this side, caps are there. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 caps are there. Page number 2020. Page number 2020. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, first you count the object. Okay. First you count the object and write the number in this block. Okay. And those have notebook. Write down in your notebook and count the object. Okay. First example. First you count the object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many books are there? 7. Okay. Now, how many caps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5. Now tell me which one is more and which one is less. Okay. You find out which has more and which has less. Okay. 7 number is more, 5 number is less. So this is more. So what are you do? You color the more images. You color the more images. You color the books. Okay. With the help of the crayons, you color all the books. Okay. Okay. Understand? You color the more images. Okay. So this is number 1. Number 2. Okay, number 2. Here are some flowers. How many? 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. And in this side, stars. How many? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So first you count the object. First you count the object. Then you color the more image. Okay. You color the more image. So first, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we write number 6. Okay. Now how many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we write 7. Now which number is more and which number is less? Yes. Stars are more and flowers are less. So you color the stars. Okay. With the help of crayons, you color the stars. Okay. With the help of crayon colored, you color the stars. Okay. Now, 1, 2 done. First you make book, then you make caps, then count the object, find the object, which one is more, which has more, and color the object, color the more objects. Then you make flowers, here you make stars, then you count the objects, count the flowers, count the star, then which one is more, you color the more objects. Okay. Now, number 3. Okay. We done. Now, number 3. Number 3. Which picture? Here balls. 1, 2, and okay. And in this side, candles are there. First, you count the object. Okay. How many balls are there? Number 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So you write number 3. Then you count the candles. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many candles are there? 7. 7 candles are there. So which number is more and which number is less? Number 7 is more and number 3 is less. So you color the candles. With the help of crayons, you color the candles. Okay. With the help of crayon colored, you color the candles. Okay, in your notebook and book. Okay. Now next. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4 is this. Now, first you count the object. What is this? This is bag. So, now how many bags are there? 1, 2 and 3. How many bags? 3 bags. And here, what is this? Pen. How many pens? 1, 2. And here we write 2. Now tell me which number is more and which number is less. Number 3 is more. Number 2 is less. So you color the bags because wall, candles, then bed, pen. Now last, what is this? What is this? This is elephant. And here, now first you count the object. Here only one, so let me write one. And here how many balloons? 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. So which number is more and which number is less? Number 1 is less and number 3 is more. So you color the balloons with the help of crayons. You decorate your balloons with any color. Okay, crayon color. So in this book, first you color the books. Okay. Then next you color the star. Then next you color the candles. Then next you color the beds. And next you color the balloons. So in this page you color the more images. Okay. More means ज़्यादा. जो चीजें ज़्यादा हैं आपको उनको कलर करना है. ओके. मोर इमेजेस को आपको कलर करना है और लेस इमेजेस को कलर नहीं करना है. ओके. बट आपको फाइंड आउट तो करना पड़ेगा ना कि कौन सी मोर है कौन सी लेस है. सो फर्स्ट यू फाइंड, देन यू कलर. ओके. एंड दोज हैव नो नोटबुक, सॉरी नो बुक, राइट ऑन योर नोटबुक. ओके. Copy from the board and write in your notebook. Okay. Concept of more and less. Concept of more and less. So now your period is over. Now you understand all. Which one is more and which one is less. Okay. So complete your work, class work. Okay, and stay safe at your home.